Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, she's brought some guest locos down, so she has a Ginty with her. Not that one. That one. That SNDJL one's now mine, officially. It's behind the 94 Deluxe, you can't really see it. But, yeah, we're going to start with Princess Elizabeth. So as you can see, we've got my beautiful Midland compound in Midland Railway, Crimson Lake. And then we have the LMS, Crimson Lake, Princess Royal. And you can see that these locos are pretty big. I mean, look at the size of that difference. Look at that! I mean, like, Elizabeth is nearly the entire length on her own without her tender of my Midland compound. But it is nice to have these two together, as both of them are preserved. And I think that Elizabeth is the only one of the two with the mainline certificate. However, officially is not running at the minute. It's being fixed because I think it blew up.
Hay fever.
Yeah. And Midland compound is at Barrow Hill Roundhouse. And owned by the National Rail Museum. Anyway, we have some coaches coupled up. We have a big train for Elizabeth, as you would expect, and then just the lovely Midland Railway coaches over there for the Midland compound. So we're going to stick those on and have a bit of a running session with these two. Then we're going to stick the Ginty on with another loco later.
So, what are we waiting for? Christmas?
I wish. Right, let's see if I can control these locos.
I'm sure you can. Go on.
Beautifully smooth and quiet, Elizabeth.
Whoa.
What?
If you look very carefully, Princess Elizabeth has a firebox glow.
Yeah.
I didn't notice
Did
that.
you not know?
No.
I knew that.
Well, you didn't.
I
Well.
watched Sam's review last night, so.
Ah, well, he didn't show that off very well.
Did you not?
No.
Oh, sugar. Right, I'll just leave her there for now. She's in shot. There you go. This loco's like 500 grams worth of loco. Compound, come in.
Okay, I got her.
You've got to admit, this one's beautiful though.
They're all beautiful to you.
No, it is beautiful though. It is.
Has she got them?
Yeah, both in shot as well. Right. Set the little one off first.
Oh, okay, sure.
The entirety of Elizabeth on the camera. There you go.
Pardon me.
There we go.
Peekaboo, I see you again.
There we go.
I hope you don't mind.
Squirrel!
Squiggle?
Squirrel! Running across the fence! Quick light up this stuff.
No, I can still see it.
Okay.
So I'm more interested in these two.
So, there we go. I've got to actually do filming for this. Can't just sit down like I can on a live stream. There you go.
I hope we're not running a race here.
Where's the Midland compound? No, Elizabeth is moving a little bit. Actually, I don't know who is going quicker, but I sort of
Yes, I've got a firebox glow.
Oh Jesus, it is bright. I'll try and get that on camera.
Go on, get it if you can.
Yeah, I did get it actually.
She's got the brightest firebox glow I've ever seen.
94 double X have 5 bucks for
Yeah, I think it might be almost as bright.
The two LMS locos coming up the hill together. I will be buying the Princess Elizabeth eventually, I don't know when though.
And you're not snitching mine.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that anyway.
Oh.
What is wrong?
Perhaps it's not level enough.
Elizabeth has left half of her train behind.
When doesn't that happen?
Elizabeth, I don't blame you.
Well, it's not her fault, is it?
No, it's not.
Go on. Right. She's got the other 3. Oof. Just hope she doesn't leave him behind again. Well, which sort of carriages give you the most trouble in a running session?
Denmark.
Oh, with the brake coach. Well, I gave the brake coach to you because it always became detached on me.
But no, when they're up and running, they're beautiful. This is where I cannot. I think it is a sneak peek at the S&D 3F GT. There we go.
It's that I don't want my camera battery to run too low. That's all. And besides, this one only goes up to 12 minutes at a time. So, hold it.
Oh no, we've had an absolute disaster.
It's not a disaster, it's just a little incident.
Wrong loco. What the hell? There we go.
That's the first time I've ever heard you raise your voice like that. And don't let her bash into it, for heaven's sake, she's innocent. Take control of her. Very clever.
That was quite good.
I can't do that.
Hey, they're running together, look at this. Whee! Oh, Ginty's just overtaking. Oh, hang on, it's shorter distance to the Beckett. It's going. Oh, this is quite close. This is intense racing.
Let's set a pace,
Well, the Beckett has a shorter distance to go. This is going to be incredibly close. Ah! Oh no, the Ginty is pulling ahead.
Well, that's because he's stronger and a bit faster.
Who's going to win? Passengers or coal?
Passengers, obviously. Isn't it obvious?
It's a question of who's going to win. Coming into the final straight now. And the winner is the Ginty.
I like the way you talk like a racehorse commentator. Why do you like doing that?
Ginty is off as well. And yes, it's coming back round.
I'm not a racehorse, says the Beckett. I'm a steam engine.
You can't stop them at the same time, which is a bit annoying. And bang. There we go. There is the beautiful Blackmore Vale. Very expressively, there you go. I'm thinking of getting another West Country, another spam cam as well.
Which one do you know?
Well, I want to get 34092, but it's impossible. So, I'm thinking of getting, well, that could be further down the line. I'll get loads eventually. Thinking of getting Winston Churchill.
She's on sale right now in Chester Modern Shop.
I know, quite expensive though, but on mine.
Well, she might be worth it.
Yeah, well, it will be worth it because I know how lovely mine is, so. I'm going together, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful, these two. Let's just watch these go around for a short while. Check. Chat. Good afternoon. For those who have just arrived, no, this is not my Princess Elizabeth. I'm not that rich. I wish it was mine though. But it isn't. Very jealous. I must admit.
Yeah, don't I know it?
No, I do have 39 steam locomotives though, so I am quite privileged.
Well, I'm only sticking to 20 because I haven't got room for any more than that, plus the new Thomas and Friends models.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry for sneezing in the live stream.
I do it all the time.
Yeah, but not loudly like me, I hope.
Oh, when I sneeze, roof comes down.
What, like you jerk your head off or something? But this is what live streams are all about.
Yeah.
I've still got hay fever. I thought it might have gone by now.
Well, the thing is, the summer's lasting a lot longer than expected, so...
Yeah, well, if I sneeze again, don't put the kibosh on me.
There's a sort of express speed, but Blackmore Vale is determined to be faster.
Well, I think your precious Blackmore Vale is gonna kind of get ahead.
It is a shorter distance, though.
So it's kind of easier because she's on an inside track.
I think that these two are both beautiful together, and I think that Blackmore Vale will... It's genuinely going to be very difficult for Loco to knock Blackmore Vale off the top. I think the W1 will come close. I think it might be joint between those two. But I don't think that Blackmore Vale will ever get toppled off the top spot of being the favourite.
Well, I find this rather weird. Here I am, capturing my engine and something I don't like very much. But I'll swallow it down like a bottle of nasty tasting medicine, not quite the way I do with the diesels. If you'll pardon the pun.
The Class 66 is coming out later.
Well, only because we're going to give Lizzie here a heavier train.
And a Heritage Railway style special now.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a bit more like what you see on the main line.
Yeah.
But then again, it's not always the Class 66 that is seen on the back. Sometimes it's a 57 or a 47.
I do have a 47. That would probably be better to stick on the back because it'll run at the same speed as...
I think the Stinky 47 would be much better. If you wouldn't mind?
Yeah, we'll go with it.
Because I think the 66 is a bit, you know...
Bit slow.
Yeah, a bit slow. We need something that's gonna...
Express passenger diesel.
Yeah. We need something that's sort of the same speed as Lizzie here.
Yeah. Should we swap over in a bit?
Yeah, I would.
Right, next loco, I think, is going to be another express passenger. Got a stinks of old railway locomotive.
Let me just get Duke of Gloucester coming round here.
You can't get a Duke of Gloucester coming around here.
Go on.
I'm going to break the point. I might have to swap that point out.